Good morning, dear students. Let's discuss the topic of class 10. The name of the topic is magnetic effect of electric current. In the previous topic, we have understand that current, electricity and all. Okay. So this is the next chapter, which is your magnetic effect of electric current. See, in the upcoming 20 or 25 minutes, what we are going to discuss are the topics, small introduction about the magnet and all, where it comes from, how it behave. Second thing, electricity and magnetism, how they are linked. One very famous scientist, they have given that Hans Christian Ørsted experiment. That experiment says that electricity and magnetism are linked to each other. We will see this concept with an experiment. Next we will see magnetic field and field lines. Okay, after that we will see right hand thumb rule. Okay, after that we will be checking that whether this statement, if the electricity is producing magnetism, if it is possible. So after that we will check that whether magnetism is producing electricity or not. Okay, that is the counter statement that has been proved by Michael Faraday, and that statement is given by that Ørsted, and these things we will discuss. Okay, let's see how magnet is behaving, what are the magnets. These are the topics we will discuss. See, so what is magnet basically? What is magnet? बेसिकली मैग्नेट होता क्या है? एवरीबडी नोज, 10th में अब तक देखा होगा आप लोगों ने मैग्नेट, ऑब्वियसली. सो मैग्नेट इज व्हाट विच अट्रैक्ट और आयरन पीस. सो आई एम राइटिंग द स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन. द स्टैंडर्ड substance which attract the small piece of iron, the substance which attract small pieces of iron and points in the direction of north and south. The magnet is the substance which attracts small pieces of iron and it points in the direction north and south. That substance is what? Magnet. Okay, naturally occurring iron ore, naturally it occurs in as what? Lodestone. These are the substance which attract small pieces of iron and always point in the direction north and south. That is your what? Magnet. Naturally occurring is what? Lodestone. That is your lodestone is naturally occurring magnet. Okay. Next we will be discussing the properties of magnet. What are the magnet behave and how it available. See, properties of magnet. Because take a magnet, let's say let's see, there is north pole, there is south pole. Okay, if you want to break this pole, okay, if you break this pole in between, from here divide this, you will get another magnet, M1, another magnet, but you will never get single N. It's not possible. You will never get single S. It's not possible. Magnet, whenever it exists, it always exists in pair. See, if you break this, you will get a magnet that will be also in this format, again north and south. When you break this magnet too will also be in this format. Okay, this is your north and south pole. So what I want to say, ki every small part of magnet will always have north and south pole. There is no single pole can exist. Okay, magnet will always exist in pair. So I am writing some of the properties of magnet. Let's see some of the properties of magnet. This is properties of magnet. Okay, so what is the property? First property, it always exists in what? Pair. See that it always exists in, it always exists in pair. It always exists in pair. Next, second thing, like pole attracts each other, and unlike pole repel each other. Okay, it always exists in pair, means whenever I have told you this is north and south, this is a magnet, when you break infinite number of times, you will get always in pair. No single pole can exist. No north pole exist, no south pole exist. Whenever magnet is there, it will always come with the pair of poles, north pole and south pole. So the first property is it always exists in pair. Second is what? Like poles, means what? North and north. What you will do? Like pole will definitely repel each other. I think there is no confusion in that. By mistake it has been written. Please correct this. Like pole, it will repel each other. Like pole, it will repel each other. And unlike pole attract each other. Next property, it has what? Third, it has two pole, south and north. This is having two pole. Magnet will have two pole, north and south. Next, fourth property is there, repulsion. What is the test? If someone want to test whether that magnet is magnet or not, if someone want to test whether that magnet is exactly magnet or not, so that is the sure test of magnet is what? Repulsion. Okay, you can simply check that. Repulsion is sure test of magnet. Repulsion is the sure test of magnet. So these are the property. First property, it always exists in pair, means what? North will always come with the south, south will always come with the north. Single pole cannot exist. Next, like pole repel each other. North will repel north, south will repel south. Unlike pole, north will attract south, south will attract north. Simple. Magnet will have two pole, north and south, that already you know. Same. Next, repulsion is the sure test of magnet. If two substances is repelling each other. That means they are that what, one is attracted with the north pole, and the same magnet is attracted with the north pole, and that is what they are repelling each other. That is your. Similarly, you can write in this, if north is coming here, north is coming here, so it will definitely repel each other. So this is your repulsion is a shear test step for your magnet. Okay. Next we will start moving towards the magnetic field and field lines. What are the magnetic field and field lines? Let's start. Next, magnetic field and field line. Magnetic field and field line. Field line, magnetic field and field line. This is our topic. I am writing the definition. The region around the magnet, the force of attraction or the force of repulsion can be detected. That is the region is called your what, field of magnet. Okay, so I am writing the region around the magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected. The region around which the region around the magnet where the force of attraction and force of repulsion can be detected is called the magnetic field. Okay, can be detected, it's called magnetic field. Okay, these are the definition of your magnetic field. Now when it comes to the magnetic lines, okay, magnetic field lines. What is the magnetic field lines? Magnetic field is clear, the region around the magnet where the force of attraction or force of repulsion is what, detected. Like what you can do, take a magnet north and south pole and try to bring the iron piece. If you bring very close, that iron piece is being attracted by that magnet. The region from where that force is being detected on your what, iron piece, you can see up to that region your field of that magnet is exist. Or in other way, you try to bring a magnet of this is having north pole. If you try to bring, this is in case of your what, iron piece, try to bring a north pole over here. No doubt there is a south pole here because no single pole can exist. Okay, magnet will always have poles in pair. So what happens, bring that north pole here. When you bring that north pole here, when you try to bring this very close to this north pole started a repulsive force. So what we can say, the force of this magnet is existing over there. So in the region where the force of attraction or force of repulsion of a magnet is being felt, that region is called your what, magnetic field. Okay, very much clear about that. The field where the force is being detected. What is the force? Force of attraction, force of repulsion. Nearby the area, that region will be your what, magnetic field of that magnet. Okay, let's see. Next, magnetic field lines. magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. Okay, magnetic field lines. Now try to see. I'm taking a magnet. This is your magnet. This is north pole. This is your south pole. I'm writing one statement. Magnetic field lines are closer at poles, and I will draw the same statement. Draw the same from here. See, this I will take in few seconds. See, first line regarding the magnetic lens, it is closer near the poles. Magnetic field lines, magnetic field lines are closer to what? Magnetic field lines are closer near to pole. We will see this statement. So what they are saying, magnetic field lines are closer near to poles. Next, magnetic field lines will never cross each other. Second part, magnetic field lines, magnetic field lines will never cross each other. Or intersect each other, that will be better. Cross is also okay, let's write that. Intersect each other. Now come to this statement, it is closer at the pole, means what? It will be in that way, very close. Magnetic field lines are coming, this is originating from north, so you can see. Okay, you can see magnetic field lines. See this one, it will be closer at the pole, but it is not very close to apart from that pole. See, you can see this one. At the pole, magnetic field lines are closer so this one. So it should not intersect each other. Magnetic field lines should not intersect each other, no? Okay, so we should take care of that. This one. So magnetic field lines start from north and is coming towards south. You can see that. So this is very close near to the pole. This is very close near to the pole. So this is your magnetic field lines. Okay, this is north pole, this is south pole. These are some basic introduction about your north pole and your about your magnets. And now if I try we'll see that this is magnetic field lines. These are the magnetic field lines. It originates from north and it is coming towards the south. Okay, magnetic field lines never intersect each other, okay, and it is very close near to the poles, okay. So this is a small introduction about your what magnetic effect of electric current, and the next video we will see that how a current carrying conductor will behave like a what magnet, okay. We will see this in next class, okay. Let's stop, we will meet next class.